To run a progress report, click Administrator Reports, then Progress Report. If you have more than one term active, click here to select the term. There's 3 ways to select the students: individual, class, and grade level. Choose individual to filter students by their name or grade level. Choose class to run a progress report for all the students in a certain class. Choose grade level to run a progress report for all the students in a certain grade level. Click Progress Report Options to confirm your settings. Lastly, press Submit. You can print progress reports or save them to a PDF.